For example, right now this is new products. Now I show you how to this create a new products. Okay. So this one, the first step we will say we enter this one formula. For example, we can copy anyone. For example, we can copy any this formula. For example, this one formula copy. Okay, and you can name it formula name. For example, 222, and fail 222. Okay, like this, and confirm, and then you will say 222 already. Okay, you will say already 222, and then loading, formula loading. Okay, this one will be ready, and then we need this change this, take a photo. One is a case photo. This is a powder case photo, and then the second is the product photo, and this one is a products in the powder case photo. Okay, and this is the left one, this right one, this is left and the right, and this one is the left powder shape. It's this one is for logo. Actually, it's for logo. If you have logo, you want this logo match with this printing. For example, you want this logo match with this printing, this powder case sleeve. So this one we say take a photo. So it means we need to take one photo, two photo, three photo, four photo. So it means 4 photo is enough. Okay, right now I will show you. Case photo. The first step you will say this one this is already, this is we delete, and then we create. We say here create, take a photo. Before that we shoot this one. We shoot this take a photo first. Here we shoot here. Okay, you will see photo already coming. Okay, so this one first, and then case photo. Okay, create. I will say this is case. And then we just use this one, this function, you will see, like this. It means this one we make this make sure this case, powder case in this inside, make sure this powder case in the circle. Okay, like this, and then confirm. You will see, and then we edit. We remove this you will see this one, we remove this one. We just clean the photo, something like this. You will see this one. Okay, and then confirm. You will say like this, edit. We just clean this inside. Something like the Photoshop. It means we mark this, we find this position, okay? Like this, okay, confirm. You will say, if like this, it will be okay. Okay, and then confirm. So powder case is ready, and then powder. Okay, delay, and then create a new one. You will say also same way. You will say like this, and then confirm. You will say this one already, this one. No need, this one is okay. You will say no problem. You will say just the green one. Green arrow is the powder case arrow, okay? This one is a powder, this one mark is powder pickup position, okay? And then confirm. Powder case, and then right now we put one powder inside. Okay, it's like this, and then we just create a new photo. Okay, this one we need this. We need to re-photo. Here. Okay, and then powder case position, and then same way. But right now we need this make it more accurate. You will see like this, and they will confirm. You will see this one is okay, no problem. You will see something like this, it's okay, and then confirm, and then confirm. Okay. So if you have loaded the logo, this one is already be ready. And if you want logo match position, so here lift powder, you see, and also future, and then create a new one, okay? But this one right now you will see no camera, because we not use this. We need to turn on this function. This one lift powder log switch, turn on, okay? Turn on, and then we try again, and then you see, and then powder position, and then you will see powder come out, okay? You will see it's logo. So right now the logo not this if like this, with better make this logo. This one match wheel, okay, and also this one. So we use this one, we make sure it's just a logo match wheel, okay? And then we try again, rephoto, okay? Here, just press here, and then load switch. You will see, powder already come. And then right now, we use this same way. But right now, we just found this logo, this future. And then confirm. You will see and edit. You will see something like this, and then we just find something like remove this. This is not this main feature. This is not the main feature. This one not the main feature. The main feature. For example, like this, it will be okay. I think it will be okay. You will say like this, okay, and then this one loading the more accuracy, just something like this, okay. If like this, it will be ready. Everything is ready right now, okay. We just check the parameters position. You will see this one lift powder. This one we just 24, 25, minus 25. Because this one is a new case, so this powder position. Okay, this is lift powder place position. We just have one, so one cavity, so just one. And then lift powder on, and this one, red one, turn off, 0. And this one, no need. This one, parameters here, lock switch, you will say, lock switch. And this one is lift powder, wrong. Okay, powder switch. Upload, and then save. And then we can start this game, okay? After this, we can start this machine running, okay? And then we can try. Right now we press. You see? See? It means 10 minutes, within 10 minutes, we can create a new formula, okay?